What is up, guys? Welcome to the second channel. I don't know if you guys know that this is the second channel, but if you aren't subscribed, subscribe. But today I've got another vlog for you. It's going to be all over the place, so be prepared. But basically, I've got my Aprilia SR50. SR50. I don't know why I keep calling it an RS50. I'm so used to the RS125, RS50s. I love those. I thought I could have one for school, and I could never afford it. But this is the SR50 that you guys have seen before, and I need to roadworthy it again. So it's going to be another roadworthy adventure, but I'm not going to take you on that whole trip, because you have seen, hopefully you've seen the video where I rode this with my dad, this one and our other Spider-Man one. So check that out on the main channel. The links are down below. But the one thing is with this scooter is the bulbs have blown. So I've already done some investigating, and we've got this little bulb here, which is not blown, but they didn't have stock. I just wanted to get extra. But we do have this one. You can see it's broken off and it's all blown and gross on the inside. And it actually snapped. So both of them have blown and both have snapped. So the glass, I'm trying not to cut myself. The glass has broken when I try to pull it out. So I had to grab it with some pliers, which wasn't ideal. But I got that sorted. But yeah, I just want to basically get these off, changed, so I can get it roadworthied and sorted and in my name. That's what we have to pretty much do in South Africa, is send it for roadworthying, then make sure it's ready for the road, and then you can get given a disc. I wonder if this one has a disc. So yeah, this is what we basically have to have on our vehicles to display it. So we don't have paperwork that we keep in the bike, we have a disc. So that's what we need to do. So let me set up the camera and take off these lenses and refit the bulbs. Oh. I'm also going to have to change the number plate. So this number plate is no longer going to be the vehicle's number plate, because we are in a different area code now. But let me know if you think I should rock the yellow number plate. It's kind of like an old school look in SA, in South Africa here. So let me know if you reckon I should do a white one, which is the standard one, or a yellow one. Anyway, there we have this is our brake light. So I'm just gonna put that back in, but have a look there. That's the inside. I have one of these, but they're not the same now. So I'm gonna test. I'm gonna put one on the side and this one, see which one's brighter. I'm gonna have to start the bike though. This one's a lot bigger. Let's try and get it in there. Actually, there's a whole bunch of glass in here from when it broke. Probably, ooh, that is crunchy. Both brake lights work. That's much brighter. Okay. So that one's much brighter, that one's not as bright, so let's swap them out. You can see that one's a lot bigger than that one, but at least I have a spare, because yeah, I'm scared these are gonna blow, because the one was working and now both aren't working. Okay. Very nice. Okay, lens is back on. Just double check. Alright, well that's it for the SR. On to the next project. Alright, it's a little bit later, it's the next day, and we have Jamworks here, Mr. Bernard himself, who does all our paint work. And we've got this BWS in for an awesome little sticker kit. So it's got a Red Bull sticker kit as well as a performance exhaust from Jeremy Pincus, so PRD pipe. So Andrew's going to put that on now. And we'll also put in some lighter rollers, and there's also like a headlight grille, and then of course we just need a gasket, exhaust gasket. So we're going to set up the camera, and you guys get to watch a time lapse of the stickers going on. So yeah, I think that'll be very fun. If you want to check out our other work that Bernard has done, he did our purple scooter, he's done a few other scooters for us. The paint works phenomenal. So if you want to check those videos out, it'll be linked down below as well. But yeah, let's check out what parts we're going to install. So here's the sticker kit. It's a Red Bull kit going on a red scooter. And then we've got the brand new PRD exhaust pipe. It's going to look quite awesome. We've got a new gasket. And then, where is the other stuff? Then we've got a headlight grille. And of course, we need to drop the roller weight. So we're going to be running 7.2 gram rollers in the stock variator. So let's set up the position and we'll do a little bit of a time lapse. Guys, Bernard is done with this beautiful sticker kit. I think it looks awesome. We've got the Red Bull on the side panel, got it on the front, hand guards, number board, mud guard, even the forks, side and the belly pan, as well as this awesome exhaust from PRD or Pincus Race Development. We still got to put in these rollers, which Andrew will do, the 7.2 gram, which will work great with the stock variator. I'm not sure if it's going to need clutch springs, but for now we'll just go with that. And then of course we still got to fit the headlight grille, which will just complete this bike and make it look really awesome. But I think it looks amazing as is. But yo, I can't get over how awesome the scooter's looking. It's looking nice and fresh with that pipe and the sticker kit. It's a very low mileage example of a BWS. It's got 8,300 kilometers, which is so like, it's basically nothing. It's so new, and yeah, can't wait to pull this off, hear what it sounds like. So Andrew's going to stick in the rollers. I'm going to go to the roadworthy department, or roadworthy it, and yeah, I'll check you in a bit. Okay, so Andrew has sorted out the rollers, so that's all back in. But one more thing that we have to normally do is we like to change the plug. So when you run a performance pipe in the South African climate, just like today, it's 37 degrees. Flippin' hot. So we don't like to run too hot of a plug. So standard is a BP7HS. They come with the BWS. We are going to run a BP8HS-10. So that is what we recommend. If you're running a performance barrel like a 125 Malossi kit or an airsoil kit, then we run a BR9 or BP9 to get it even cooler, because then those cylinders get a little bit too hot. So we're going to put in the spark plug quickly, and then we can start it up and see what this beauty sounds like and rides like. I'm quite keen to see, because it's quite a tight motor still. It's probably pretty new. But yeah, let's check the plug. Thank you, Andrew. We got the plug. That's a little lean, would you say?
Yeah. So there's like no wear erosion on that plug. It hasn't started burning off.
So pretty new plug still, but a little bit on the leaner side, but that's okay. That may just be because it's not driven hard enough or driven in a different or certain like style. So once the pipes are now, I'm sure people are going to ride a bit harder. And yeah, but this BP8 nonetheless will help it run a little bit better and not too hot. That's kind of the main issue. It's running not too hot. All right, Give it a start up.
Go for it, bro. Start up.
Key
No
in.
reason why we shouldn't. Oh.
I need a hand.
Oh, okay.
Can you hold the brake for me?
Yes, of course.
Sounds quite sweet. Okay, we get it off the bench.
Yeah.
Take it outside, take it for a ride. I think we can.
Yeah, you bet. Alright. Okay. Okay, the pull.
Damn. Look how nice that looks in the sun. It's looking real good. I'm gonna ride it quickly and then yeah, see how it pulls and see what it sounds like properly outside when you open it up. Clear its throat. And yeah, I'm excited. Take it a little bit warm. Clear its throat, so now that it's clear, it should be good. That is a super nice pull. Still stock motor, stock CVT, with a nice sounding pipe. Sounds pretty awesome. Ready for the client to pick it up. So let's park it and move on to the next. Okay, a few days later, and we've got something to hang up in the workshop. I've got the sign over here. You guys aren't gonna see it yet, but we're gonna basically be putting it where that Molossi sign is, and then we'll move the Molossi sign maybe somewhere else, because this one's gonna be quite big and not, on a white background. So I'm super excited to do that. Let's take it off, and then put some double-sided tape on, and maybe some normal nails, and yeah, let's get to it. Are we gonna normal nails it as well?
You're gonna have to.
Okay.
It's gonna fall off.
So there you have it. It's up, temporarily taped while it dries. So that's our partner with oils. It's Ravenel, and they supply basically all of our fuels for our oils for the 2-stroke, 4-stroke gearboxes. So yeah, you can get all your Ravenel oils from us now. What do you think?
Cool.
Yeah, we don't know where we're gonna put the Molossi right now because it won't fit it won't fit over there, and we had to take it down because it's just going to look odd with this like really square poster over there. So yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, also check out my cool Pellini hat that I got. Sorry, I didn't get you anything.
It looks like a golf cap.
It is a golf cap.
Right.
It is a golf cap. Anyway, something else I did buy us, you and me,
Yeah.
are our Stage 6 goggles.
Yeah, I don't know where they are.
Go grab it, it's over there.
Oh.
Yeah, so we got the orange one. Looks, it's a little dirty because my fingerprints went everywhere.
Yeah, because you didn't clean your hands.
Yeah, I
when you put it
didn't,
on
but
there.
it's fine.
SRT.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. Now we just need MX helmets, and then we've got the blue one as well, which I just stuck on this helmet, and it's basically gray instead of orange, but with the same breed of speed. So we're gonna try it out. We had the first gen Stage 6 goggles, and they were pretty awesome. We still have them, I guess, but the foam has disintegrated because we used to ride a lot with it. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Again, it's something very, very different, and no riding in this one, but I do appreciate every single one of you. So if you don't know, this is our second channel. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to it to kind of get more content like this, raw, unedited content. And yeah, we'll check you in the next one. Peace out.